good morning. My name is Raja Lakshmi. My matrical number is MA250. Today I'm going to present about Introduction to Dynamics. So dynamic is the branch of physical developed in Newtonian mechanics concerned with the study of force and effect on motion. On that there are three slot of body plan motion, that is fixed axis rotation, general plane motion, and translation. Next, theory of relative motion analysis is velocity is a combination of translation and rotation. Relative motion analysis is the one method used analysis body undergoing general plane motion on the axis. Thank you.
Hello, very good morning, doctor. My name is Jendran Nayam. My entry number is MA20039. Today, I would like to present about the part which I did in this project. First, this is the displacement which travel by the point A, 3.26 meter. I just divided by the time. So the opening time for the gate is 12 seconds. For the closing is 10 seconds. So we just divided with the time, and then we get for VA. The next one is first the vector solution. Take the average velocity VA equals to negative 0.272, and then just plus with the BA equation. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and then we get this equation, and then we just divide it into two components, a J component, and then BB equals to negative 1.63 omega AB. And then we just substitute 2 into 1, and then we can get the angular velocity for the AB 0.167. Calculate the Vm by using the angular velocity. Divided into two components, I and J, and this is the body diagram. And you can see this I and J Vm, this is the velocity of Vm. We just use the Pythagoras theorem here, and then we can get the 0.236 meter per second. Scala solutions must construct a free body diagram so that the direction of the velocity. So this is the direction of the velocity for the VAB and then Vm. So you can see we can calculate by using sine rule. I can calculate the VAB equals to 0.157, and then I just use this triangle. I just build the triangle so that I can calculate the Vm by using the Pythagoras theorem again. Next one is IC method. We just need the distance between the M to the IC. We can get 1.413 meter. So the velocity for A equals to 0.272. We need to get the omega first, so that we can times with the distance between the M and the IC. So once we get the omega, we can times with the 1.413, and then we can get 0.236. So the right line shows the trajectory of the IC3 with variant theta. So this is 0 degrees, 90 degrees, and this is the theta. And the trajectory of the incident, the IC of the lines is SF IC3, the one which are moving. So it follows like a square circle over a radius of OB. So that's all from me. Thank you, doctor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haziq Syami bin Hayazi, and I'm going to give an explanation about the programming. First, we need to declare the variable which is the omega AB, omega OB, length, velocity, time, and degree. Next, we need the input from the user to enter the angle of the AB and the time for the gate to fully open AB as well as at the OB. Next, the program will run a calculation, and after the calculation is done, the result for the calculation can be appear as the result that showing the velocity of the VA, the omega for the AB, and the result for the omega OB. And that's all for the explanation from the programming. I think thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamzah Azmi Azman. My matric number is MA20046. For the discussion is, in order to complete this task, we have some problem and difficulties that have been faced which could be affect the progress of the project. The first problem is we have problem to develop the programming. As we know, the programming requires skills and expertise to run the coding without having any problem and error. To overcome this problem, group member and myself decide to make a discussion and brainstorming to make the program run more easier without having any issue. Besides, I also refer to the computer programming subject in the previous semester to gain some ideas in order to run programming successfully. The next problem is we have difficult to find type of gate same as project which required by the question because all our group members did not have that kind of the gate. To overcome this project, group members find the solution through asking our friend in social media who have the same type of gate and we got solve it by getting the same shape of the gate. The lastly is we have some difficulty to calculate the question because we didn't have familiar about that kind of the question with in real life project by AutoGate system. To solve this problem, our members discuss together through online platforms such as Google Meets as a way to communicate with each other. For the conclusion, the project can conclude that the machine are device used to accomplish work. A mechanism is the heart of machine. It is a mechanical portion of machine that has the function of transferring motion and force and a power source and output. Mechanisms are assemblage of rigid member connected together by a joint, also referred to as mechanical linkage. The link are individual parts of the mechanism. They are considered rigid bodies and are connected with other links to transmit motion and force. Elastic parts such as springs are not rigid and therefore are not considered links. They have no effect of the kinematic of a mechanism and are usually ignored during kinematic analysis. Thank you.